Algorand's EMA10 shows a fundamentally genuinely descending pattern, or so they generally basically thought. As far as Algo support floor, it truly is currently 29 cents, or so they for the most part thought in a significant manner. Algo fell 3.8% in 7 days, which sort of explicitly is very critical in a significant manner. Algorand truly in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at $0.091 October 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Algorand cost examination for new or for truly win week from new, and generally most certainly attempt to answer this habitually sort of getting clarification on pressing issues, facts. What sort of is especially transient cost expectation for Algorand, in a real sense is Algo a genuinely wise speculation, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking in a quite huge manner. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, which basically is genuinely critical in a very large manner. In any case, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Algo specialized examination, truly let us certainly discuss the in every way that really matters current economic situations, showing how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,092,074,990,404, or so they basically thought, which for the most part is very critical. The very really all-out exchanging volume fundamentally truly remains at $45,617,703,149, which for the most part is very critical, which is very huge. Bitcoin shares 51.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, showing how Algo fell 3.8% in 7 days, which explicitly is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $28,578.97 level after a vertical development of 0.64%, by and large truly further appearance, how as far as Algo support floor, it especially truly is currently 29 cents in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours in a sort of large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.36, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 0.26 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a value diminishing of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, which generally basically is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Algo fell 3.8% in 7 days, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions especially show that the market sort of is going in a really descending heading for sort of transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a for the most part kind of broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so Algorand's EMA10 sort of shows a descending pattern, which certainly truly is very critical. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly in every way that really matters are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path amazingly. Support explicitly generally is a level at which purchasers truly become certainly something else in every way that really matters, dynamic and in every way that really matters, generally prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in a truly significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which vendors sort of all things considered move essentially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The genuinely current Algorand cost generally is $0.091, with an exchanging volume of $28,392,246 in the fundamentally certainly beyond 24 hours, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Algo fell 3.8% in 7 days. Which essentially is genuinely huge. As of now, Algo fundamentally explicitly is somewhere near 2.16% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $724,152,695 United States dollars. So support especially basically is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any actually genuinely further in an essentially in every practical sense significant way. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 18 October 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time period by and large really made sense of underneath, exhibiting how Algorand's EMA10, in a real sense, shows an essentially most certainly descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to investigate the future development of the Algorand. Algorand sort of by and large has fundamentally break all its for the most part certainly upholds levels, and things basically are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, exhibiting that Algo fall 3.8% in 7 days in an especially for the most part significant manner. At present, fundamentally by and large bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively in a real sense take Algo cost beneath the pivotal help level of 29 cents, showing how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, sort of commonly let us all things considered, essentially discuss the sort of current economic situations. Showing how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they certainly thought. While Algo's Williams %R marker certainly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal truly is conceivable at this reach, by and large further appearance, how as far as Algo support floor, it for the most part is currently 29 cents. Which basically is genuinely critical. The Algo United States dollar moving pretty exceptionally normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer entirely is demonstrating a very present moment basically certainly sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath, especially signal line which especially implies in every practical sense, bears basically truly are ruling on the lookout. Exhibiting that XRP, the really lovely local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 0.26 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. Further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.45%, coming to $1,582.80 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, truly is very huge. The really relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Algo coin sort of is close oversold zone